Hey internet, if you're like me, you like to ride your bike, but you don't want to, spend a crap ton of money on, bike accessories, bike parts. So I've been on a quest the last couple of years to finding parts that punch way above their weight, but price-wise, they come in at an affordable price, right? Everything, something that most people can afford. I came across this guy. I don't know if you guys, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, UNICHE or UNICHE. I don't know if that E is silent, but anyway, you could see, as you can see there, shredder and prester, so that's pretty versatile. This is all the packaging you get. Actually, it comes with a plastic bag on top there, kind of like a Ziploc bag, but really that's all you get. So this one here is a high volume, so you have the high pressure, high volume. This is high volume, for bigger tires, mountain bike tires, fat tires, maybe 48 to above. They do have a variant for this that is for road bikes. So that would be the high pressure. So this is a high volume. But anyway, let's take a closer look. I'm gonna show you mine that I have on my bike. So let's get down here. All right. So this is mine here. Let's change the angle here. The angle is not visible to you guys seeing the whole. All right. So this is on my bike. I'm not sure. Again, this is, I bought this on Amazon, but you can see the branding here is UNICHE, but then the pump doesn't come with the E. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But anyway, I know it works. So this is one of my bike. Very simple package. I want to say probably about 12 inches or so. So really minimalistic, super lightweight. You got a little dust cover, mud cover. I have this riding on my front fork on my bike. I'll have a picture as to how that looks like. But other than that, just a basic pump. You got the dust cover. So to use it, you just unscrew here. Very simple. I use this unbound, but just like that. So by default, it comes with the prester valve, but it has both. So if you want to, switch the old school, you just flip this around, and then there you go. Then you have it, and then now you could use it on the other valve. This one is a shredder valve, and then the other one is the prester. The prester is the one that comes with most modern bikes. It's the skinny valve core, valve stem, whatever you call it. But so this is its default configuration. It comes like that, and when you're ready, the unique part about this thing is it comes with a built-in pressure gauge. Look at that. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but right there comes with a built-in pressure gauge. So for those that you have to really dial in your pressure, no problems at all. Let me get a tire here, and let's see here. We'll do a quick demo of how you use it out in the wild. So let's see if we can get this up here. So you get it up here. I like this. It's so fast. Beats the CO2s, and then you're not carrying around all that extra weight. You're gonna have a pump anyway. But when you get out in the field, pretty easily deployable, and it just screws on. That's the problem with like some of those pumps come with, they don't have a flexible tubing here, so they're kind of awkward to work with. But with this, it's pretty, flexible, and there you have it. And then, a couple pumps there, and then it's, it will start, measuring out here. How much PSI you got in there, in the tire. So really cool, but you get the gist of it. Yeah, well, once you're done, unscrew it, put this back there. I'm letting all the air out. Terrible mechanic. But yeah, so pretty straightforward. We'll get the tire out of the way. Yeah, so that's really it in a nutshell. Yeah, that's it in a nutshell. So if you, I'll leave the link down below on Amazon for the direct link for this. They sell out quite a bit, so if you see them come in stock, grab one pretty quickly. The price is very friendly to the pocket. Yeah, that's all I had for you guys today. If you like videos like this and you want me to review more stuff, please be sure to leave the comment in the down below, so that you know of what you want me to take a look at. Yeah, stay tuned. I have a bunch of other videos in this format coming up, but if there's something that you'd like to see, let me know and I'll try to make that happen. Ciao.